Hey guys, just wanted to show you my new sonic screwdriver here and how it actually works. It's pretty cool. Thought y'all needed to see, so here goes.
Control mode. Memory bank A.
Turn on the TV. Ooh, exciting. Turn up the volume.
Call for yourself and those that depend on you most.
Turn it down.
You'll get the facts about insulin and how adding insulin can help reduce blood sugar.
Even change channels, it's pretty sweet. Don't quite know what's on this time of day. Sorry for whatever random programming happens to show. I don't even know what that is. Yeah, football. Even worse. Classic Tom and Jerry, but just wanted to show you guys. Thing's pretty sweet. ThinkGeek's got it on sale right now. I'd grab it right now. Yeah, that's it.